It's heavy, I know, but this is not the end of your story. It's heavy, I know. Mga kasakit nga murag dili mo hunong. Hurt that makes you feel so low. Discouragement takes control. Kikapoy na ka, gusto na mo hunong. Murag tanan sa'yo, tanan na puno. But hey, rise up, ayaw kalimot. This pain is not defining you. Okay ra masakitan, tinood yun na. Pero dili okay kung wala kay nakatunan. Every scar has a lesson inside. Every fall is a reason to rise. Time to stand up now. You have to shine once again. Restart your life, everything's gonna be alright. Renew your mind, bagong pagsugod pilya karon. Ayaw na ulan. This is your moment to move on, and life goes on. It's not the same, it's not a shame, 'cause I know you are not the same. Mas ligon ka karon kaysa kagahapon. So stand again and carry on. Sa mga gabi nga hilom ang kalibutan, ikaw ray nakahibalo sa imong gibati. Silent battles, tears nga gitago, pero kusgan gihapon ka sa Tinooy. You've been broken but not destroyed. Nausap ka but that's your strength, not void. Every step, bisan hinay padayon, kaya ang paglihok mo ikaw saban. Mandili pa ulay ang tanan, pilihan na pud ang kalipay karon. Let go sa kahadlok o kasakit, open your heart, begin again. You are healing, you are growing, you are stronger than you're showing. This is your chance, your brand new view, to restart, to renew. Time to stand up now. You have to shine once again. Restart your life, everything's gonna be alright. Renew your mind, bagong pagsugod pilya karon. Karon na gyud, this is where you belong. It's not the same, it's not a shame, 'cause I know you are not the same. From the pain you rise again, a stronger heart, a better man. So breathe and choose to begin.